Good morning everyone. Namaskar. I hope you all are fine. Before we start our new topic, let's do prayer. Everyone join your hands. Start Om Bhurvasva one time. Om Bhurvasvah Tastaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Now let's sing English prayer with me. Dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Bless my day and my night. Bless my day and my night. Give us your peace today. Give us your peace today. Once again, dear Lord, I love you with all my heart. Bless my day and my night. Bless my day and my night. Give us your peace today. Give us your peace today. Before we start our new sound word you, I will tell one story. The Fox and the Crane. The story is about the fox and the crane. Once upon a time, a fox and a crane decide to become friends. Once upon a time, a fox and a crane, they were good friends. The fox invited the crane to come over for a visit. Fox invited the crane to come my home and we will eat together. Both are friends. So the fox invited the crane to become over for a visit. The fox prepared soup for his friend. Then fox ने क्या बनाया? Fox prepared soup for his friend. उसने उसके फ्रेंड के लिए सूप बनाया. However, fox are cunning. Fox तो लेकिन बहुत स्मार्ट होते हैं पहले से ही. However, fox are cunning by nature. वो तो पहले से ही स्मार्ट होते हैं fox. And he served the soup in flat dish. उसने सूप बनाया था, वो फ्लैट डिश में सर्व किया. The fox could lap of the soup easily, but fox तो वो प्लेट से उसकी टंग से फटाफट वो तो पी जाता है. Then the fox could lap up the soup easily with his tongue. Fox तो फटाफट फ्लैट डिश में सूप था तो भी उसकी टंग से उसने फटाफट पी लिया. But the crane with a long neck and pointy beak. क्रेन कैसे होते हैं? क्रेन की लंबी नेक होती है और उसकी बीक लंबी होती है. How can crane drink soup? वो फ्लैट डिश होती है, उसमें से सूप कैसे पिएगा? He could not. The sad fox was amused. Nevertheless, the crane thanked the fox and invited him to come over next day. उसने फॉक्स तो कनिंग था, उसने क्रेन सूप ना पिए, उसकी वजह से उसने क्या किया? उसने उसको फ्लैट डिश में सूप दिया. But he can't drink the soup. The same day, he invited the fox to come his home. When the fox come to visit, next day, fox जब क्रेन के घर पे गया, the crane served soup. क्रेन ने भी सूप बनाया और उसने सूप को in the bottle with a long narrow neck. उसने सूप को कहाँ रखा? एक बॉटल में, लंबी बॉटल में भर के उसको सूप दिया. The crane could not easily drink it. क्रेन इजीली नहीं पी सका because the crane could easily drink it. The crane could easily drink it. क्रेन फटाफट सूप पी गया, but the fox could not drink easily. But fox's mouth could not reach the soup and he returned home hungry. और वो वापस चला गया भूखा ही, क्योंकि because the soup and he returned home hungry. हंग्री ही वापस चला गया, बिकॉज उस दिन वो जब गया था तब फॉक्स ने क्रेन को फ्लैट डिश में सूप दिया था, बट ही कांट ड्रिंक द सूप. द सेम थिंग नेक्स्ट डे क्रेन डिड द सेम थिंग विथ फॉक्स. जब फॉक्स उसके घर पे आया तब उसने बॉटल में भर के दिया, सो द फॉक्स कुड नॉट ड्रिंक द सूप इजीली. सो द मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, ट्रीट अदर एज यू वुड लाइक टू बी ट्रीटेड. हमें जैसा बिहेव अच्छा लगता है ऐसा ही बिहेव हमें दूसरों के साथ करना चाहिए. ट्रीट अदर्स एज यू वुड लाइक टू बी ट्रीटेड. आई होप you enjoy the story. Thank you. Now, before we study A, E, I, O sound, now today we will start U sound word. I have some flashcard. Let's recall ma, ug, mug, ma, ug, mug, na, at, nut, na, at, nut, ha, hum, ha, hum, ha, hum means listening to music. This is a picture of burn, ba, burn, ba, bun. This is a picture of bus, ba, bus, ba, bus, pa, pass, pa, pass, ka, cut, ka, cut, run, run, cup. In the last, this is a picture of buck, buck. In Zoom literacy, page number 51, look at the picture and write the U sound word. We call U sound word This is a picture of ball. This is a picture of ball. Jug, sun, mug, rug, pup, and hut. Here are 3 letter words given. U sound word. Let's recall: bug, sun, bun, rug, hut, jug, pup, mug. You have to see the picture and find the word from here. First word is bug. This is a picture of bug. You have to write here bug. Next is sun. This is a picture of sun. This is a picture of ball. Picture of ball. Now, rug. This is a picture of rug. Rug. Now, in the last, this is a picture of mug. Let's recall again. Bug, bun. This is a picture of jug. Sun, mug, rug, Zoom Literacy, page number 51. This is your classwork. Let's recap. Ba'ag ba'ag, sa'an san, ba'an ban, ra'ag rag, ha'at hat, ja'ag jag, pa'ab pab, ma'ag mug. Page number 5050 in Zoom Literacy and page number 12 in Zoom Phonic reading portion. And let's recall this. Page number 50 in Zoom Literacy. CVC word with a sound. Draw a line to match you words with the pictures. A sound words. Ba'ag ba'ag. You have to read the word and match with the picture. Ba'ag ba'ag, ma'ag mag, sa'an san, ba'an ban, ra'ag rag, ha'at hat, ra'an ran, na'at nat, ja'ag jag, pa'ab pab. Pa'ab pub. And in Zoom Phonic page number 12, vowel U or sound word, you have to read this. Ab, ka'ab kab, da'ab dab, ha'ab hab, ra'ab rab, ta'ab tab. Odd sound word, ba'ad bird, ka'ad card, ma'ad mud. Ag sound word, ba'ag ba'ag, ha'ag ha'ag, ja'ag jag, ma'ag mag, ra'ag rag, ta'ag tag. Sound word, ga'am gam, ha'am ham, ma'am mam, sa'am sam. On sound word, ba'an ban, fa'an fan, na'an nan, ra'an ran, sa'an san, ga'an gan. Up sound word, ka'ab kap, pa'ab pab, sa'ab sap. In at sound word, ha'at hat, na'at nat, ba'at bat, ka'at cut. Here we finish our A-E-I-O-U sound words. Whenever you have time, you have to read all sound words. So this is good for you. Page number 52 in Zoom Literacy. CVC word with U sound words. See the picture. Fill in the blanks with this U sound words. Here are some pictures given and here are some words given of U sound word. First we read this. Ka'ab kab, ta'ab tab, ba'ab ba'ag, ra'ab rag, sa'an san, ha'at hat. Here are blanks given. You have to see the picture and you have to fill the blanks with U sound words. This is a picture of cup and the cup is in the tub. The cup is in the tub. Tub. The cup is in the tub. The cup is in the tub. Next is, this is a picture of rock and this is a picture of bug. The bug is